Here is how to download and play Among Us on your PC or Mac using Bluestacks. It works the same whether you're on your Mac or your PC. So first, you need to go to bluestacks.com and install the Bluestacks application on your computer. I already have Bluestacks installed on my computer, so I'll just search for it and launch it. And once installed, open Bluestacks, and it might take up to 40 seconds to start the engine, depending on your computer's performance. And when you open Bluestacks for the first time, you'll probably see the App Center. Alternatively, you can also click on My Apps or the Store icon. Here, select Play Store, and then go ahead and log in to your specific account on Play Store. Once you've done that, you click on the search icon from the left-hand side of the screen and search for Among Us application. And once you find it, select it and select Install, which is highlighted in blue color. And once it is installed, you can go to the home screen and you'll be automatically signed in using your Google Play Games account. You just need to go ahead and enter your name, select Create. It will look like normal PC version of the game. To play online with friends, click on Play and then select Online. You can also host a server, find a public game, or enter a private room link if your friend sent you one. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.